Now the tangent line was the one you just defined. It touched the circle at one point. Now you can have other things being tangent to a circle as well. You could have two circles that are tangent. So if you have a circle and then another circle touching just at one point like that, those are called tangent circles. What's another way you could draw two circles that are touching at just one point? Outside, right? So you have a circle and then they touch at a point like that. Okay, so you can have tangent circles. You could also have circles like the bullseye. If you think about a bullseye, circles that share the same center, so they have the same center. These are called well, it's one word, concentric circles. So those are some different definitions or different types of ways to think about circles. Concentric, that's a C. I was going to put a dash there, but the reason I was going to put a dash is try to emphasize the centric part, so that centric meaning they share the same center, but the word is concentric. Concentric circles share the same center. Now, on your tangents, this place where they touch, this is called the point of tangency.
There.
Point of tangency.
It's a funny word.
So that's tangency, the point of tangency, that's the point of tangency, that's the point of tangency. So lots of ways to have tangent circles. Sorry about my angling here. All right. Now, we have some other features of circles that we got to identify as well. If you look at a circle, and if you take a part of it like this, if you look at from here to here, so if you look at that outside chunk of it, this is called an arc.
That's on mine.
Okay, so it's an arc. Now, in the circle, if you have a small arc, meaning from like here to here, less than half the circle, it's called a minor arc. If you have an arc that goes more than half, so I'm going to just highlight these, that is less than half. An arc that goes more than half, guess what it's called? A major arc. More than half. Okay, now there's a symbol or a marking for arcs. So if you look at a circle, let's put 3 points on the circle, A, B, C. An arc, like if we talk about arc, it takes a little eyebrow, A, C. That's the symbol for arc AC. So this right here is this arc out here. So that's arc AC. Now, you can use 2 letters if it's just from here to here, but if you can also use 3 letters just as long as the endpoints are the outside part. Okay, so if we do arc ABC, that's going to be from here through B to C. So that's a major arc on the outside like that. Okay, so this one is minor and this one is major. So you can do 2 letters or 3 letters. Sometimes you need 3 letters. So those are arcs. So that's the outside of the circle. Okay. Now, the if you have an arc, like if you have a circle and then we have a chord that passes through the center, so the diameter, and we look at this and we call this CD, and let's put a point up here, F. Arc CFD is special. CFD, if it's passing through the center, what does this break off from the circle? Is it all of the circle, half the circle, a quarter of the circle? What is it?
The diameter.
Okay, yeah, here's a diameter, so that's passing through the center. So arc CFD is a semicircle, which is half a circle. So semicircle is half a circle. Okay, so there's arcs. In your homework assignment, you're going to have to be listing some minor and major arcs. The symbol for arc is just this eyebrow right here. So it's a little curve. Okay, one more thing. Everybody got this? Yeah. Okay, one more thing. If you have a circle, here's the center. If you mark off an angle from the center like this, so let's call this A, E, D. Angle EAD is a central angle. Central angle meaning the vertex is at the center of a circle. Okay, so the central angle is an angle that has the vertex at the center. And those are the little bits that you need to do tonight's assignment. You have to